How to uninstall KB5078127 in Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2. Hello friends, follow the steps. The first method is using Settings app. For this, click on Start, go to Settings, click on Windows Update, click on Update History, scroll down and click on Uninstall Updates. Over here in this list, find KB5078127. If the update is showing here, then click on the uninstall link for the update. Again click on uninstall. After clicking on uninstall, your computer will restart a couple of times and the Windows update will be uninstalled. If the update is not found here, you can uninstall KB5078127 using command prompt. For this, click on search, type cmd, right click on command prompt, select run as administrator, go to the video description. You will find this command there. Copy from the video description and paste in the command prompt and press enter. A pop-up will appear. For confirmation, click yes on the pop-up and the update will be installed by automatically restarting your computer. If this method also doesn't work for you, then restore your system to a previous date when the Windows update was not installed. For this, click on search, type restore, click on create a restore point, click on system restore, click on next, look for the date and time when the Windows update was not installed. Select that date and time and click on next. Click on finish, click on yes. This will take some time, so wait patiently to restore the system. After restoration, the Windows update would be automatically removed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.